Hi, I'm making Korean barbecue chicken. If you want to learn how easy it is to make Korean barbecue chicken, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. The secret to the Korean barbecue chicken is in the sauce. It has this sweet, sour, tangy taste that makes it one of my favorite dishes. I'll show you my take on this dish, an easy step-by-step process. First, we're gonna start with our sauce. Let's put 1 tablespoon of oil here, and we're gonna saute our crushed garlic. About 4 cloves of crushed garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of rice vinegar and 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Once that's dissolved, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Try to dissolve that cornstarch and it will thicken our sauce. Let's also put 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're adding the sesame oil so that it will not burn. We're adding it almost at the last step here, and just mix it. And once the sauce is thickened, then we can use this for our chicken. That should not take long. Now we're gonna put this in an oven for 45 minutes. We're gonna bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 45 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna brush my chicken again with our sauce. Then we're gonna put this back into the oven.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!